Odisha is set to attract world-leading companies as the Black Swan Summit is being organized in India for the first time, placing the state firmly on the global economic and technology map. The two-day summit is being held in the capital city Bhubaneswar from February 5 to 6, which has emerged as a preferred destination for global players and international collaborations. The event is expected to open major employment avenues for Odia youth, including opportunities for jobs abroad. President Draupadi Murmu will attend the summit, underscoring its national and international significance. The Black Swan Summit aims to facilitate action-oriented discussions among national policymakers, financial institutions, technology experts, startups, investors and academicians. The platform is designed to encourage meaningful dialogue and collaboration across sectors with a strong focus on practical outcomes.
विभिन्न देशरू आसीबे जेमती 24 देशरू आसी छंती 5टा कॉन्टिनेंट रू से मैंने आसी की डिस्कस करिबे पॉलिसी कोन हेबा कथा करिकुलम कोन हेबा कथा आमे एआई को केमिति यूज करिबु सो दिस प्रोग्राम इज अ वेरी long term perspective. It's a visionary program. It's a very complimentary and a uniquely conceptualized program. आमरो टोटल बजेट यहाँ पाई अच्छी 112 कोटी टंका भारत आमरो राज्य सरकार को तापरे GFTN तरफ भी there is some budget that is being spent on this. A global engagement platform जो Black Swan Summit हो छी पृथ्वी रो विभिन्न जगह रो कंपनीज एठी आछंती ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर खोलिया पाई आग्रह प्रकाश करछंती एठी इन्वेस्टमेंट आसीबो आमरो पिला आमे टार्गेट करिछु कि 7000 जन ट्रेन हेबे 7000 जन पिला से माने एठी चाकरी करिबे बाहरे चाकरी करिबे सो आमे पूरा इकोसिस्टम ग्रोथ रा कथा को बुझु.
Odisha has set its sights on advancing in the digital economy, and the summit aligns with the state's broader vision of economic growth driven by innovation and technology. A key objective of the event is to create global-level opportunities for talented Odia students and professionals, enabling them to compete and succeed on the world stage. The summit is being organized under the Bharat Netra initiative by the Government of Odisha with support from the Singapore-based Global Finance and Technology Network or GFTN. The collaboration highlights Odisha's growing engagement with international institutions and global networks. The event will see participation from representatives of over 1,700 organizations spanning 24 countries. Additionally, nearly 100 speakers from 5 continents are scheduled to take part, making the summit a truly global congregation of leaders and experts.